In this video, I will guide you through how to use Chrome Remote Desktop to control PC from phone. To do this, open a web browser and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Come to the site remotedesktop.google.com. This app provides an easy way to remotely connect with your home or work computer or share your screen with others. Once you land on this page, make sure you're using correct Google account from the top right. To set up remote access for this device, click on download icon. It will open Chrome Web Store where you can download Chrome Remote Desktop extension. From right, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add extension. Next, go to right and click on Puzzle Piece. Select Chrome Remote Desktop. You'll be taken here. Then again click on download icon to download Chrome Remote Desktop app or Chrome Remote Desktop host. After download finishes, go to top right and click on downloaded remote app. Click on accept and install. Enter a name for your computer. Click next. Choose a PIN containing at least 6 numbers. After you have done it, click Start. It says offline, but refresh this page to make it online. Now it says it's online. Now the remote desktop connection is ready for this computer. Let's access this computer from phone. From your phone, go to Play Store or the App Store and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install the app. After it's installed, click Open. It will start up. Use the same Google account on phone that you used in your computer. You can switch account by pressing this icon on top right. I already switched it to appropriate account, so it's already connected. It is showing the connected device. Click on connected device. Provide the PIN and click next arrow button. And we are connected to the remote computer using phone. You can rotate the screen to make the window bigger. Move your finger over phone screen to move the mouse on remote computer. This is how easy it is to use your remote computer on your phone. Let's minimize this page. Tap the screen to click. From the top right, click on 3 dots to view more options and settings to customize your remote desktop experience. So this is how you can use Chrome Remote Desktop to remotely control PC from your phone. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.